Today on Third Shift Crafts, we're keeping it simple and sweet. We're making a peach dump cake on the Traeger. This recipe couldn't be easier. We're using 2 cans of peach pie filling poured straight into a 10-inch cast iron skillet. Next, I'll add a box of yellow cake mix right over top. Just spread it evenly across the peaches. Then I'll slice up a stick of butter and layer the pieces across the surface of the dry cake mix. Outside, the Traeger is preheating to 350 degrees. Once it's ready, we'll set the cast iron skillet right on the grates and let it cook. After about 30 minutes, I'll check on it, and once that topping turns golden brown and bubbly, it's done. In total, mine took around 45 minutes. And there you have it, a quick, easy dessert that's warm, sweet, and perfect for sharing. Thanks for watching Third Shift Crafts, crafted by hand, rooted in home.